this ain't a joke. I lost some people around me, but never lost all of my hope. Where did I go? How one direction I went, and rap wasn't the end of the road. How do I know? Used to want to hang by a rope, but I used all this music to cope. Tunnel vision, nothing gonna mess with my focus. I have talents in me, just at the show.
What? You want Starbucks? What time even is it? I'm sorry. You're not gonna let this go, are you? Do you really want to go? Go get dressed. I'll meet you downstairs. I think someone's ready for his Starbucks. I know. Ooh. Honey, they want to know what you want. Okay. And one for lady. I know you want it. Here you go. Finally a bath after this long day. Whiskey? It's mommy's turn to take a bath. It's mommy's turn. Little monster.
Moe?
Yeah?
What's your laxative? Help me!
Okay, we're just gonna close that.
What's hentai?
What?
See, that's a
What
question
hentai
that's
group?
better
What?
suited towards Bad Boy Halo. Sure. I wasn't invited. So,
Googled it! Oh, no. You only Google things once Goggy gives you the go-ahead. No, BQ, no! I'm sorry!
Oh, my camera's on. Mad. Sorry.
Corey. Corey.
Hey, can you hear me?
Corey, listen. Shotgun left his mic on. They're fucking. Him and his girlfriend are fucking.
What?
Listen. Dude, I've been dying. It's been going on for the past like 10 minutes.
Dude, hold on. I gotta go into my audio settings. No. Holy shit.
I gotta tell Maddie.
Oh my god.
Wait.
I can't hear him at all.
I can't either. I wanted to come here.
I think it stopped.
Oh man.
I can't hear it anymore. I guess they're done.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hey. Oh shit, now they're making noise.
Oh, they must be finished. They're talking now.
Sup, bruh?
What's going on, Willie?
What's up, dude?
You tell us, man. How you feeling?
Yeah, you feel good?
Yeah, pretty good. Oh, was my mic on?
You old dog, you?
So what was for dinner, Willie? It sounded exciting.
I did have dinner.
Oh, did you? You guys must have not gotten too much food down. Oh my God, is my mic on? Good for you. I didn't know if I should call the cops. I thought you might have been beating her.
What the fuck? Holy shit, dude, what's the matter? What happened? What's going on?
There's so much porn!
Well, what the hell are you doing looking at my private shit?
What are you talking about? Private shit, Johnny? It was wide open. There were literally thousands of files here.
Well, I've been meaning to clear some of that out.
Jesus Christ, look at the organization here. Clockwise rim job, counterclockwise rim job.
Yeah, well, sometimes you like seeing the tongue go the other way.
You sick bastard. Look at this. Chicks with dicks.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I have a disease, all right? I need help.
There are no chicks with dicks, Johnny. Only guys with tits.
Well,
My girlfriend's parents walked in on me waxing my ass. You can imagine how embarrassing. Oh yeah, no, I was right in there.
Oh yeah, no, my boyfriend loves when I fart on his face.
Because I tried circumcising myself last night. It's a horrible idea, just like you said. I don't know what I was thinking with the duct tape. Right? No, it was one of those how-to videos. My doctor said I need to stop bleaching my butthole. Well, no, because apparently you're not supposed to use regular clothing bleach. Yeah, I know. They actually have specific chemicals for that. Right. I know. You learn something new every day. Hey, can I borrow your anal fungus cream again? Yeah. Oh, are you all out of it already? Oh, I really need some, like ASAP.
Oh yeah, I just love sniffing my butthole. Especially after a long day.
Oh, right. They should put that on the bottle. Do not use on butthole. Yeah, it'd solve a lot of problems.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, Splash, you take good care of the twins. We'll be back in a couple hours.
And one more thing, the kids has to be in bed at 9 o'clock. No scary movies.
Okay, kids, come here. Man, I ain't trying to go with that weird Mickey Mouse, bro. That's scary.
I don't want to go. It's okay, kids. He's gonna take good care of you.
2 hours later.
Hi.
Where are them kids at?
Yo, kids. Hey, going on?
Oh my God. What did you do to my kids?
What you mean I'm drippy as f***? Thank you, Spluz. Drip the f*** out of me. Yeah, damn me up, cuzzo. See, you know. You feel me?
You know what? I kinda like it, home dog.
And her best friend walked into the lunchroom. And I looked to her best friend because she DM'd me on Instagram. So, after that, she said she likes me on Instagram. So I turned to her best friend and say, kinda cute, kinda thick. You wanna be boyfriend and girlfriend? She says yes. Her best friend says, listen, all I'm gonna say next, I walked out of that school, middle fingers in the air. Me and my friend